The LTCCDSS one-person infrared sauna is designed to fit comfortably in your home, offering a small footprint that makes it ideal for a master bath, bedroom, basement, or gym. Equipped with carbon crystal far-infrared heating panels, this sauna delivers a powerful 1,050-watt output, ensuring a quick preheat and a relaxing experience up to 60 degrees Celsius. Crafted from Canadian hemlock wood, known for its durability and heat retention, this sauna provides an effective and comforting sauna session. The sauna features modern amenities such as 2 Bluetooth speakers and an LED reading lamp, adding to the luxury and convenience of your sauna time. Designed with a modular tongue-and-groove system, this sauna is easy to assemble and includes a safety protection device that automatically cuts off power in case of a leak. The LTCCDSS sauna comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and offers long-term paid replacement support beyond the warranty period, ensuring peace of mind for buyers.